Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Noise has launched a new smartwatch NoiseFit Evolve which comes with the AMOLED screen. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this smartwatch. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the smartwatch and here at the bottom we have the model name NoiseFit Evolve. On the side of the box we have the features such as AMOLED touchscreen, it's IP68 water resistant, it's lightweight, comes with the 9 sports mode. It has dynamic heart rate monitoring and also offers smart notifications. On this side of the box we can see the available colors and this watch comes in two variants. First is the regular Evolve version which is available in black, blue and pink. And then we have the sports model. At the back of the box we have the technical specifications. The MRP of this smartwatch is Rs 7,999 but it's available to purchase for 5,499. There is also a coupon code listed below which will give you additional 500 rupees discount. So the effective price of this smartwatch is Rs 4,999. So let's open the box and see the content now. On the top we have the smartwatch itself. The form factor is different and this time we have this premium looking round dial which is different from the previous watches we have seen from Noise. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get the warranty card and here is the user manual of this smartwatch. And then here we have the charger. And to charge this watch, you would need to open the door of the dock like this and place this watch and close the door. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at this smartwatch closely. NoiseFit Evolve is a premium looking smartwatch and the first time you pick up this watch, you can feel the premiumness in this smartwatch. The build quality of the strap as well as the anodized aluminum case feels pretty good. Talking about the main selling point of this watch, which is the 5.3cm AMOLED display, and it comes with a resolution of 390 by 390 pixels. You have this black border on the dial and the curved edges give this watch a premium look and feel. Talking about the strap, we have a textured TPU strap here and the material used in this watch feels pretty good. The strap is removable so you can easily replace it later. Talking about the overview, at the back of the watch we have the charging pins and the heart rate sensor. And yes, this smartwatch comes with the 24 hours dynamic heart rate monitoring. Inside this case we have the battery which is 180 mAh and according to the company, it will give you standby time of up to 10 days. Navigation on this watch is mainly gesture based, but on the side here we have this crown button by which you can wake up or lock the screen and it is also act as a back button. So overall in terms of design and build quality, this watch look and feel premium and lightweight and it is very comfortable on the hand. The weight of this watch is just 43 grams and during our testing, I felt really comfortable wearing it whole day. Now let's turn it on and show you the features of this smartwatch. So here it is, the watch is on and the first thing we have here is the watch face. There are total 5 watch faces to choose from and the first thing I noticed is how beautiful this AMOLED screen looks. The quality of the display is really good and I'm happy that Noise decided to go with the AMOLED display smartwatch. In terms of navigation, it's fairly simple and you get the swipe gestures as well as this button on the side to go back to the previous menu. When you swipe down from the top, you will see the quick settings and here we have the options like brightness, DND and also the remaining battery. And when you swipe right from the left side, you will see today's fitness data. And if you swipe down more, you will get the quick access to heart rate monitoring, last night's sleep data and then the compass. Yes, this smartwatch comes with the compass as well. Now talking more about the options, to access the main menu, you'll have to swipe left from the right side. And here we have the menu. The first option we have is today, which shows your today's step count, calories burned and distance traveled. And then we have the sport mode and this smartwatch comes with the 9 sports mode such as walking, indoor walking, outdoor running, cycling, etc. And when you select a mode, you can set a time-based or distance-based target for the activity. And the next we have in the menu is the heart rate monitoring. In this smartwatch you can do a continuous heart rate monitoring and the heart rate detection is actually very quick. Now coming back to the menu, after the heart rate we have the sleep data. And then we have the notice, which is actually the notifications. And then we have the photograph option, which allows you to use your smartwatch as a remote shutter. And then we have the alarm, compass, BT music, which allows you to control music right from your smartwatch. And then we have the find phone option, stopwatch, and finally the settings. In the settings of this smartwatch, you have the option to choose watch face, QR code to pair the watch with the app, and then we have the power off and the factory reset option. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch. Now let's pair it with our phone. Pairing is simple, and to pair the watch with the phone, you would need to download the app Noisefit Peak, which is their brand new app for this smartwatch, and it's available for both Android and iOS. Once paired, on the homepage you will see the current day sport data, and then you have the heart rate and the sleep data. And then on the next page, you will see your today's step count and also other sport data. And then we have the device page where it shows you the connection status. And here at the bottom, you can select call notification alert, other features such as app alert, water reminder, sedentary reminder, alarm, etc. Noisefit Evolve also support race to wake feature, which you can enable from the settings. And regarding the dynamic heart rate monitoring, you can turn it on from here and choose the time interval. One thing I should say here, that the water drink and sedentary reminders are really good, and I find them pretty useful. And also, talking more about the notifications, let me show you how they look on the smartwatch. So I'm using an iPhone right now, and it works perfectly for the notifications, including call and messages. So here is how the call notification looks like, and you can reject the call from the watch itself. And here is the message notification. Sadly, there is no preset replies in this smartwatch for incoming messages. The notification vibration on this smartwatch is also good. It's not too strong like some other smartwatches I have tested in past. It's good enough to let you know that there is a notification on this smartwatch. So overall, Noisefit Evolve is a premium looking smartwatch. Design, data and the features of this smartwatch is pretty good. And overall, I'm really happy with the performance of this smartwatch. It's lightweight and really comfortable as well. And during our testing, we saw a dip of approximately 20% in the battery each day. And that is with the continuous heart rate monitoring. So without it, you can easily get 5 to 6 days battery backup. The AMOLED display of this smartwatch is really good. You get good viewing angles, and overall the quality and the output is one of the best I have seen in this price range. The display is bright enough for indoors as well as for outdoors. Now there are a couple of things which in my opinion could have been better. First is the watch faces. Noise should include more watch faces, or at least give us the option to customize the watch face content. The second thing is the menu itself. No doubt they have used a beautiful looking screen, but there are no menu animations, which give a feel that this watch menu is lagging. I hope they can fix this via future update. Nonetheless, I really find this smartwatch good in terms of design, functionality and the build quality. And guys, if you like this smartwatch and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noisefit Evolve smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us which feature you like most about this smartwatch in the comment section below. And if you have any questions about this smartwatch, then leave a comment down below and we will try to answer them as soon as we can. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.